In today's video, I will demonstrate how to do a basic plastic welding repair, and I'll be using this plastic welding gun. Very simple and easy to use. I'm also going to be using my Dremel tool with my easy lock cutting accessory. I will also be using this drill bit, and I'll also be using a drill. So the first thing that I need to do is to assess the length of the crack. And as you can see, the crack comes all the way down here. Now, one of the proper way to do a welding such as this is to ensure that the crack is no longer able to run any further. That's the first thing that you want to do, is to stop the crack. So this is where the drill comes in. I'm going to drill at the end of the crack to prevent it from being able to run any further. So this is the hot gun staple, very simple and straightforward. You simply insert the staples, and when you are ready to weld the plastic, you simply press this trigger. The staples will get hot. You do a slight twist, make a slight twist, allow it to cool, then pull up. So I'm gonna do about 3. So trigger, press downwards, twist, allow it to cool, pull upwards. Now this is an extremely versatile tool, one that I believe that all motorists should own. With motor vehicles having so many parts being plastic, at some point I believe that some part is going to get damaged, get torn, and this welding gun will make repairs very easy for you to do. So I highly recommend all motorists purchasing one of these tools. It's very inexpensive. So now I'm going to use a Dremel to remove the remainder of the staple. You can always finish this up so it looks much neater by getting a soldering iron, or if you have the plastic welding tool, to melt the plastic so that it goes over and covers the staples. Now I know that not everybody has one of these, which is a mini weld airless plastic welder from Polyvance. I've had this tool over 5 years now, and it has worked very well for me, and I continue to benefit from the investment. It's not the cheapest item you'll find on Amazon, but it is very effective. What you can do is to use this to smooth over the plastic so that it looks much neater and give you a more detailed and refined finish. So that's it. This is how you do a simple basic plastic weld. Very effective, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.